This is how a force cancelling speaker or subwoofer works. So the way that an electrodynamic loudspeaker works is that we have an electromagnet and that pushes on a cone. So that's what causes the cone to move and create sound that you're going to hear. But with any force we generate, there's an equal and opposite reaction force. So whatever force we apply to the cone, the same force will be applied in the opposite direction to the motor. So that causes the driver to shake when it's in use. And if we connect that to a loudspeaker cabinet, it'll cause the loudspeaker cabinet to shake. And that's a big problem if we're trying to design a high quality loudspeaker. This vibration force from the driver will shake the walls of the cabinet, and that could cause sound to be radiated from the cabinet walls that we don't really want you to hear. So on a number of our products at KEF, we use a technique called force cancelling. We use this on the Blade loudspeakers, the Blade and the Blade 2, and also on some of our subwoofers. What we do is, rather than having a single driver, we have dual opposed drivers, like this. So these two drivers are designed to be as identical as possible. So whenever this cone is moving out, this cone is moving outwards in the opposite direction. And the force applied to each cone is equal and opposite. And that means the reaction force is also going to be equal and opposite. So the net result is that there's very little vibration force from this configuration. So when you're listening to them, the cabinet's totally still and all you're hearing is the sound from the drivers. It's a really neat engineering solution to a tricky loudspeaker problem.